Hey y'all, it's your girl Shy B and I'm back with another video. So we're doing Pink Friday 2 inspired wig look today, y'all. Nicki Minaj just released Pink Friday 2 and I was like, what better way to celebrate my girl than to do a pink wig? Stop playing. And you know I had to put on my Barbie pink shirt for, the occasion, okay? But I used a door color. I did like a neon color. I don't remember the name, but it was neon pink that it said on the bottle. But other than that, I wanted to go with a petal pink color, but it didn't take with the watercolor method. I did a watercolor method with this neon. And once I did the neon at the ends, I was like, might as well do the whole thing, child, okay? So we just came out with this color. It's bright, it's there, it's super cute. Get into it. So the style I was going for was just like a twisted little two buns, if that makes sense. Y'all see it later on. I don't know the name of the style, but literally I'm just putting my hair in two ponytails and then twisting it around, just so I can get like that 2000s like type of little bun top knot, slip knot type of thing look. But I think it came out really, really cute. And then I had like the split little pieces in the bang area. Like I wanted to give like that Y2K type of vibe. Okay, y'all see what I'm talking about, right? Like the little slip knot bun with the little pieces sticking out. Like, super cute, very Y2K. It's giving Pink Friday, okay? And y'all know I gotta do my TikToks while I'm recording. Get that content in. 2024, we getting this content in, period. So now I'm doing the second bun. Y'all, I originally wanted to do like 4 sections with the slip knot buns, but that didn't work out. So I was like, let me just do the 2. And the 2 came out really, really cute. I love this style. It's super quick, super easy. And it's just like a fun little hairstyle to do for Pink Friday. y'all can see it, but this color is color changing. Like when I put heat to it, it turns purple. Like, is that not cool? Like, that's super cool. I was thinking, like, if I'm in the sun, if I did this color during the summer and I'm in the sun, like, it's literally gonna turn purple and it's gonna be super cute. So I decided to just cut some layers in the front and then curl these little pieces at the end. I was like, okay, like it's giving. I wish I would have just kept them straight. I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like it still came out bomb. The color is there. The face is there. Like that style is there. Like, don't play with her, okay? And y'all, don't come for me with my flat iron too. But look, y'all see how it turned a little purple? Anyway though, don't come for me with my flat iron. I couldn't find my curled over, like my cylinder type of flat iron, so I had to use my just flat iron to like get that like curled in like type of vibe, so you can see the layers, like that Y2K, you know, type of vibe. But I couldn't find like my cylinder like curler, you know, flat iron, if you know what I mean. But we still got it done. And that is it for the style, y'all. It came out super bomb. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stream Pink Friday too. Okay, bye.